Welcome to Trading Lounge and the European indices for the 25th of September, starting with the DAX here on the 4-hour chart. This whole move to the upside through here, we can look at it as wave A and B and C here for a B wave at the top here, and that means it will be coming further down in this case. Or we could also look at it as wave 1 and wave 2 here and wave 3 here, an A and a B and a C here for wave 4. The 38.2% retracement level here comes in around the 12,100 area through here and would be tracking 5 waves from wave B to wave C here. So tracking those 5 waves here, we'll look at that on the hourly chart here. We were looking at wave 1 down, wave 2 to move back here, and then wave 3. Now you can see that wave 4 has moved rather high here in this instance here, but I still kind of think we should keep it as wave 4 here, even though it's overlapped wave 1 here. And the reason for that is when I look at it on the cash market here, on the 5-minute chart for the cash market here, we can see we've got wave 1 and 2 here, and then a strong wave 3 here, and then an A and a B and a C for wave 4. This wave 5 hasn't made a new low yet on the cash market, but I'd like to say that it will, but it would need to breach these lows here first. And then what that does, if that breaches this low here, then that makes this an A and a B and a C wave here. But I think really that's the case. So, but as you can see here, it hasn't gone back up here to overlap the top of this structure here just yet in that case. So we can still expect further downside for that for that market. So, but even looking at this here in terms of 5 waves in the 5th wave here, we could see that this is a strong 3rd wave here. So we'd be looking for a 4th and a 5th wave to come down. Even, well, 38.2% retracement levels are down just below the 100 here, so more downside to come, but a retest possibly of the 12,300 area. And the FTSE is the same but different. So with the FTSE here, just on the 4-hour chart here, we can count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 here. Now that's either going to be wave C or wave 1 here, and we pull back for wave 2 here. So as wave C here, then we'd look at this here as wave 3, 4 here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 here for the low here for wave 5, and then the A, the B, and then the C wave back up into this space here. But I've always sort of, I mean, this can be counted as 5 waves here, but it's rather overlapping wave structures. So I've always thought about it as being a corrective space, but anyway, there's a question mark on that. So anyway, let's just go in and have a look at that. So the retracement level here would be the 7,200 area through here. So this is, all of this here has given us a little bit of grief being above here. We've had a couple of long trades in here that haven't gone that far, and we were looking to short below this level here. Perhaps you've done that, that's fine. So with this here, we can still expect a rally off this low here in line with the S&P 500 and the DAX before seeing further downside here for this. We can't go long here unless we've got the 73 here, the top of group 1, as support at this stage. So in this case here, we're still looking for further downside at this point here. Let me just have a look. So on the tick chart here, being the top here as wave C here or wave 1 here, we can look at this as an A wave here, an A and a B and a C wave here for the B wave, and then down for the C wave, which will be in 5 waves. So from the top of wave B here, we've got a little 5-wave sequence here for 1 and 2, and then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 here, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 here for the third wave. So we're looking for an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave here for wave 4, and then another move down here for wave 5, coming closer towards the 72 area here as the 38.2% retracement level there for that particular pullback at that point. So yeah, there we have it. So just a short video on all of that. Thanks for tuning in. Cheers.
Report unless it's done. Really? Just holding up some plates.